Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be boxing, oh, spillage and some leakage. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be unboxing my Boxycharm Premium. It sits here. So I am so excited to be unboxing my Boxycharm Premium today. Even though they're not always perfect, I still really enjoy getting my boxes, and even after like all this time of unboxing so many things, I still get super excited. So if you don't know a lot about the premium version of Boxycharm, this one is $35 and it's an additional subscription that you can just choose to get. $35 gets you 6 to 7 full-size products, and it's supposed to have a value of at least $175. So I am really stoked to get inside. I have not seen spoilers for this one, or if I have, I've completely forgotten. Alright, so this says Boxycharm the Oasis, and we have a little card, so I'll refer to that momentarily. So I see a bunch of things already. First thing on top is the $1 Billion Brows brushes. I'm not going to take this out of the plastic, but I will show you guys what it looks like. I am just not a fan of double-ended brushes, and I'm sorry to be, once again, I'm being a party pooper right off the bat, but I'm sure that it's a fine brush, but I always stand all my brushes up in cups and organizers and things like that, so I just don't like to bother with double-ended brushes. Now, for someone who wants something like super easy to travel with, or maybe you don't want to spend a lot of money, you just want a few brushes, this might be the perfect way for you to have brushes, and someone else will get their hands on this brush, so it will not go to waste. So this is the $1 Billion Brows Sculpting Duo brush. It goes for $30. I mean, you get technically like 2 brushes here, but it still seems a little bit high for me personally. It says it's a simple tool to achieve the perfect contour. You've got a densely packed angled brush for target areas, and then you have the highlighter side for precise blending to enhance smaller features on the face. Well, this is already open on one end, so I'll just show you guys what it looks like. So that is the angled end. It definitely looks a little bit more dense. It's got really soft bristles. I like bristles that have just a teensy bit of coarseness to them, but this is the other end. It actually looks more like an eyeshadow size brush, but it is really dense. But no worries at all, someone else will be getting some use out of this brush for sure. Next up, we got something I'm really excited about. This is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. So I had the version of this before it had retinol in it, and I loved it. I was honestly like a little bit bummed when they changed the formula because I liked the original so much. This is what the packaging looks like. It's super cute. This is glass. Adorable. So I really like the other one because I would literally put on my retinols, vitamin C, like whatever serums I was using at night, especially if the serum was a little bit stronger and maybe could be irritating to the skin. I would always reach for my original avocado melt to soothe and hydrate. Now this one's got retinol already in it, so sometimes you can definitely mix that with other products, but some products you do have to be careful with it. So I don't know, I was a little bummed, but honestly I'm just super excited to try out the new formula, so I am really happy to have gotten this one. This one goes for $49. It says it's a creamy, nourishing mask formulated with antioxidant-rich avocado, exfoliating PHAs, and the most gentle form of retinol, encapsulated retinol. It's gentle yet effective, and it works to improve skin elasticity and reveal smoother, hydrated skin with each use. Use as a wash-off, flash facial, or overnight mask for deep recovery. I don't know how retinol would work as a flash facial. I feel like that would have to like leave on overnight, but it is meant to be a sleeping mask. So if it were me, I would be using this at night before I go to bed and leaving it on all night. So I can't wait to try that one out. Next up, we got from Zoeva. This is the Eyeshadow Fix Matte Longwear. It's a weird way to word it. So this is from Zoeva. This goes for $12. That's pretty affordable. It says it's the perfect canvas for vibrant eye looks, prepares the eye with a long-lasting crease-proof formula for all-day wear. It has rice silk, innovative, easy to blend eye primer, great for oily eyelids, intensifying eyeshadows, and smoothing out imperfections. So let's see. I'm gonna just put a little bit on my hand and see what it looks like. I hope it doesn't dry down too matte though. Like sometimes overly matte eyelids can, you know, not look the best on some people. But here's what it looks like on my hand. You can barely see it, but it's right here. It does feel like it's drying down pretty matte. It's a little, like, tiny bit tacky, but overly it's just like smooth, if that makes sense. It's drying down fairly quickly, but it doesn't feel extremely dry or anything, so I am excited to try that out. I'm always open to new eye bases, but lately I've just been going back to concealers that I like, that work for me. I don't know, we're gonna give it a try. Next we got, ooh. This has got some spillage and some leakage. This is the Skin & Co. Roma Sardinian Spirit Shower Gel. Notes of Sardinian Myrto, I don't know, lemongrass and wild orange, the Italian collection made in Italy. So I've had one thing from them that I honestly did not like. It was like a cleansing truffle oil. Wow, this is like filmy. Yay! Like the delicate fragrance of yellow flowers on a vibrant Sardinian summer day when the Mediterranean breeze carries the notes of pressed myrtle flowers and berries that runs through the cobblestone streets. So this goes for $22. I would probably be a little bit more excited if I didn't have like filmy shower gel on my hand, but let's give it a little. I can't smell it on the bottle, but it's there. Okay, oh, let me show you guys before I start rambling. It's just like a little spillage that's like dried onto the bottle there. Well, the like safety seal is in the top of it. I don't like that. Yeah, I don't like that the seal is in the top of it. That just literally means it had no closure, you know what I mean? Like if it's just floating around in here. Anyway, this smells pretty good. I don't know, I'm not the type of person to spend $22 on a shower gel, but you know, I'll probably give this one a try. It definitely smells like, you can smell the lemongrass and it's citrusy, but it smells very refreshing. So I feel like, you know, we're basically in summer at this point, so I feel like this will be really good for July and August when it's all hot and you want something really refreshing. Okay, next up is the Kat Von D Inkwell Liner. Honestly, I got a blue one of these and I can't remember if it was in Ipsy or Boxycharm. I feel like it was in Boxycharm. These just dry so dry. I'm not giving this to anyone. Let me shake it. You'll have to shake it for about 30 minutes. But this goes for $20. It's supposed to be like bulletproof matte eyeliner, extreme long wear, waterproof, transfer resistant, smudge resistant performance. Okay, so I feel like I've shaken that up enough and I will go ahead and swatch it on my hand, but the blue one that I had was a beautiful color, and if you shook it up long enough you would get a very pigmented bright blue and it was gorgeous. But this one just dries so dry that like I hate the way that it looks. It tends to like crunch and crisp. It's already dried down matte. This one is a very dry matte formula, so if you're looking for like ultra matte liner, maybe this would be good for you. But that's what it looks like on the hand. It's super black. For me, these just get too dry, too crispy, crunchy. No thanks. I may try that one out and see, because I'm not passing that along to someone knowing that I don't like it, you know. Next up, we got the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Cocoa Infused Contouring and Highlight Palette. So it's like a little chocolate bar like a lot of their stuff. Now, I have been somewhat underwhelmed with Too Faced in, you know, recent time. I haven't been seeing a lot of things that have caught my eye. I mean, apart from like, I think the last thing that I really wanted was the Natural Lust palette. I don't know, they have not been really doing anything that I'm like, oh my god, I need that so much. I'm just like, So I do have the Cocoa Contour already, but I will show you guys what this looks like, and then I will likely pass it along to someone because I feel like mine is fairly new. So it has beautiful shades of contour. I do have a little gripe because this is considered deep contour. This is considered medium and then light. I can use both of these, and deep contour is just a little bit too red, but this is not for deep skin tone. I feel like them even putting the word deep in it is, come on. They've never been the best with that kind of thing, but there should be a whole nother palette with deeper shades. Maybe include this as like the light section, if that makes sense, and then build out with deeper and different tones. I think would be a very wise move, but we can't always expect that to happen. This one goes for $44. I do like the consistency of the powders. That's the only thing I'll say. The shade range was better. I would think that it would be a fine product to get. So I will pass this along to someone who can use it, but unfortunately that is not everybody that I know. So $44, like I said, and it's got Cocoa Complex. Blends beautifully for a diffuse, subtle contour. So natural and effortless. All they'll see is your perfected bone structure. So let's go ahead and go through this one more time. $44 for our Cocoa Contour palette. Our brush was $30. We got the $12 eyeshadow base, retinol melts, crispy liner, and then our Leaking Skin & Co. shower gel. So if my calculations are correct, this is a $177 value. I just did the math in my head really quick, so maybe that's wrong. I am excited for my avocado melt, considering that that's the highest price point in here. I am happy to have received it, so it does help with this box a little bit because it's, you know, more than what I paid for the box. The rest of it though, I'm not that like impressed by. I guess if I didn't have this, I would be really excited to get it because it is something that I could use frequently. The liner is just, I've already had one. I know the formula. I wish that it wasn't so dry and crackly, but you know, maybe I'll give it a try and just see if the colors are any different. I just have a thing about double-ended brushes. I don't like them. Somebody I know will love that. And then, you know, for the eyeshadow base, I will just have to try and see. I will be doing a video with both of my Boxycharms trying all the products that I've gotten. Obviously, I'll use my own contour and give that to someone else. The brush, I mean, maybe I should use the brush. Okay, tell me in the comments, should I use the brush and see how it is? Because it could be amazing. Like, just because I'm hung up on double-ended brushes doesn't mean anything. So in my try on, should I use the brush? If you guys say yes, I'm gonna use the brush. So everything else we're gonna give a try, even the crispy liner. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to give a big thumbs up if you enjoy these unboxings. And as always, if you're not subscribed, please go and subscribe. I would love to have you guys. And more than ever, the importance of hitting the notification bell is so crazy. Like, it is so important because you will not get notified, and sometimes my videos will not pop up for you at all, even if you may be interested in them. But I would love to have you guys in my little YouTube family. It would mean the world to me. And let me know what you think about this box below in the comments, and I will see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye guys!